Hello, today I am showing you whether a pan of water will get hot faster without or with the lid on. Now I have my emergency cook stove here and my little can of emergency chafing fuel, and I'm going to set my timer and see how long it takes for water to boil without the lid, and then I'm going to switch it out and do the lid. And I'm going to use my thermometer here. I'm at high altitude, so it takes longer for water to boil, but let's just go to 200. We'll just go to 200 and watch and see how that works. All right. So I've got 1 cup of water from my tap, and right now we are at 68 degrees for my tap water. Okay, now here's my little thing of fuel. We're on there. You can barely see the flame. Okay, putting it in here, setting my timer, and we're starting. Okay, we're going to watch till it comes to 200. All right, 3 minutes in. Oops. We're at 99. Okay, 6 minutes in. We are at 123. I'll tell you, I'm having a really hard time not throwing the lid on there because I just know instinctively that putting the lid on makes it go quicker. But you know, it's amazing how many times people put stuff on to boil, but they don't put the lid on. So, gonna keep going. Okay, we are at 13 minutes. We're only at 150. Holy moly. Okay, so this is going to take a really long time to boil water without the lid on. But we're just going to keep going just for curiosity's sake. Okay, now we're 20 minutes in. 165. Wow, this really takes a long time. Okay, so Dave made an observation. Go ahead, Dave.
Oh, by the time it gets boiling, you're not going to have any water left. It's just going to steam away.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how fast it goes with the lid on. Okay, guys, we are at the 30-minute mark. I honestly didn't think it would take this long to boil. We are at 170, well, let's see, what are we at? 174.56 degrees. So I'm going to stop right here. And we're going to see how long it takes to get to 175 degrees with the lid on. Okay, so now we're adding the second thing of water and we're putting on the lid. Start. Okay, now we're going to see how long it takes to get to 175 with the lid on. Okay, so we're just at 5 minutes. I'm going to take the lid off. Holy cow, 149 just with the lid on. Oh my. Wow, that goes significantly faster. Okay, we're going to see how long it takes to get to 175. All right, guys, we are at right at 10 minutes. So we're taking off our lid. Holy cow. Okay, so we're just, oh yeah, no, we are there. 175. So it took 10 minutes versus 30 minutes. Guys, it really does matter. If you put the lid when you're cooking, you use 1/3 of the amount of energy. And especially when you're cooking in an emergency and you need to conserve your precious fuel, keep your lids on. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.